Hey guys, what's up? So, another unboxing like I mentioned in the last video that I had. Hopefully that one got posted. The camera messed up on it, but hopefully by the time you're watching this, that other one was posted. If not, I did an unboxing yesterday as well. This is package 2 of one of 2 packages, I should say. So, anyway, let me get into opening it. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is the Manitowoc MLC650. I've been wanting this crane for quite some time. Really happy that I finally got around to getting it. Super excited. Like I said, I really been wanting it a long time, since it came out a couple years back, and just never got around to getting it and putting the money aside for it, and finally had the cash to do it, and figured instead of buying something else, why not get this? And I knew I wouldn't regret it, so definitely gonna be worth it. Just an awesome model of what I've seen from it online. So I'll actually take it out of the box over here. There it is. Hopefully that's in the camera view, which I believe it is. The Manitowoc MLC650. Really excited for this crane, actually. Awesome. Alright, definitely gonna open it up a little bit, at least get one of the trays opened and show you guys what's going on with it. I'm not going to do every single tray, every part, because where I'm opening the box currently is not the spot the crane is going to be in, or even the room in my house. Got a book here. Hopefully that's in view, right there. So, it's the assembly guide, instructions, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully they're taped. That was a little nerve-wracking. I wasn't sure if they were taped. Now I gotta find the knife. Found it. I believe the bottom tray from other videos I've watched is the actual crane, so that'll be the one that I open here. Like I said, as you can see by the length of the video too, it's not very long, but everything detail-wise, I'll make another video of this crane, all the details, whatnot. The idea I have for it right now, I'm not going to be fully assembling it. I'm going to do a different configuration, more of a heavy lift, shorter boom. I don't think I'm even going to add a jib to it. Something that I've always wanted to do with the 18,000, just never did. Was I right? I was. Alright. Kind of surreal right now. I've never, or far. I didn't think that I would be getting this for quite some time, so really, really happy with this. Looks awesome. A lot of weight to it for the most part. I think it's a little lighter than the 18,000. 18,000 was like, I think like 40 pounds, the model, or something like that. Or close to it, 30 something. This is the box, the UPS sticker said 25, so not too bad, a little lighter. Doesn't hurt. Got the car body. Wow, that was put right in after paint. I got a little bit of red on the tissue paper. Let's see, we still in view. My apologies if I'm not. I'm trying. Awesome. Everything came reeved and whatnot. Really cool. I'm super excited. Anyway, as you can see from, or hopefully, like I said, hopefully that video posted from yesterday's unboxing, I also got the Liebherr LTM 1050 and a new Pete 367 all black, other than the low boy. But definitely kind of happy to get these two cranes. This one especially, been really wanting it. Now after this, I'll probably end up getting the MLC 300. I believe it's the 300. Because this one will be absolutely awesome, and then I'll have to go get the other one. So, unfortunately, for my wallet, not for me, I'm definitely going to get the other one eventually. Not really sure when, but I know this one I was super excited to get too. Is just because I've heard really great things about this one versus the old, versus the old 18,000. I know that, or for me having the 18,000, I remember, having a lot of complaints on it, more or less. Not a lot, but enough about certain things. Main thing with the 18,000, which I know they corrected on this, was the non-locking drums. That sucked. Once you got it reeved, it wasn't bad. But I mean, if you had just 2-3 parts of line on it, on a hook or something like that, and you put any weight on it, the drums would just spin. Kind of on mine, I made on a few of the drums. I kind of made my own stoppers or locking points, especially for the whip line on the jib, and I think I did one for the luffer as well. But again, I know they fixed it on this, and this one's like a completely new and improved version, and I'm ecstatic. I don't even really know what to say. I'm so happy that I finally got this, and worth every penny and worth the waiting. Got this from 3,000 Toys. Ended up just getting it on there. They had it. I think Weiss Brothers, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I know they have it on their website as well. I just ended up getting it from 3,000 Toys. I wanted a couple other things, figured do one order, and they have the rewards points on there too, so that's pretty cool. Got a lot of them on this order. So anyway, listen, I'll get some pictures up and of this on Instagram, and definitely more videos for YouTube showing this, and an in-depth view, and kind of a video on the configuration I'll end up building this in. So anyway, thanks for watching as always. If you just stumbled upon this video, go ahead, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, look around. I got a lot of older content. Obviously I haven't been on here in a couple of years, but check out my older stuff. There's some good videos on there, and definitely there'll be some new videos as well, and some quality content coming as I get back into the swing of things with making videos. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram. Link will be down below in the description. And that's it. So thanks again for watching. Definitely check back for more videos on this model, other models, other videos. going to be an explanation video on where I've been for the last 2 years, YouTube since. That'll be coming, and some other stuff. Definitely going to try to get back into the YouTube community for models. I know it has kind of shrunk a little bit over the, past quite a few years and whatnot. So maybe I'll try to get, I am going to try to get back into it, and hopefully some more people on Instagram will make videos or more videos and kind of build it back up, because I always enjoyed watching them as well as making them. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, check me out on Instagram, and if you haven't already, subscribe, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check back in for more new content. So thanks again. Have a good one.